Hello, savvy entrepreneurs. This is TouchSuite Merchant and Payment Processing POS Systems. Are you ready to know how to manage a high-risk merchant account? Today, we're going to equip you with the strategies you need to navigate the complexities and ensure seamless payment processing. We'll understand what high-risk merchants are, why they matter, and how to effectively manage them. Before we kick things off, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or insights, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Accepting credit card payments has become an absolute necessity for businesses, especially those in the digital landscape. But, not all businesses are created equal in the eyes of payment processors. High-risk industries such as e-commerce, credit repair, and CBD face unique challenges in payment processing. So, let's now dig in. Understanding high-risk merchant accounts. First things first, let's define what a high-risk merchant account is. It's tailored for businesses operating in industries with elevated risk factors. Think chargebacks, fraud, and regulatory challenges. E-commerce, credit repair, and CBD are prime examples due to their inherent risks. The importance of payment processing for high-risk businesses. In the digital age, accepting credit card payments is the lifeline of high-risk businesses. It boosts sales, enhances customer trust, and offers a seamless purchasing experience. That's vital for industries with skeptical consumers. Navigating high-risk payment processing challenges. To customize solutions for different industries, seek payment processors experienced in your field. To mitigate fraud and chargebacks, having advanced tools and verification processes can minimize these risks. Regulatory compliance is a must. Choosing the right high-risk merchant processor. Selecting the right partner is key. Look for experience, fraud prevention systems, chargeback management, and customization to your industry's needs. Enhancing e-commerce payment processing for high-risk industries. To secure payment gateways, invest in encryption-rich gateways for customer data protection. To achieve user-friendly interface, keep your payment page intuitive to reduce cart abandonment. For mobile compatibility, optimize for mobile shoppers by ensuring mobile-responsive payment processes. The unique landscape of credit repair payment processing. Transparency, recurring payments, and educational resources are vital for effective credit repair payment management. Navigating CBD payment processing challenges. CBD businesses face regulatory hurdles. Partner with CBD-friendly processors, educate customers, and outline transparent policies. While challenges abound, the right strategies and partners can overcome them. Understand payment processing intricacies, stay compliant, and choose the right processor. Adaptability is the key to long-term success in this ever-evolving landscape. And there you have it, fellow entrepreneurs. If you found this video insightful, remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. For top-notch payment solutions tailored to your business, head over to TouchSuite's website. Trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide, TouchSuite has been a go-to payments provider for startups to global brands for over 20 years. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep rocking the business world.